What's going on, YouTube? My name is John. Welcome back to another Jumpman Junkie 2 YouTube review. In front of me, I have my collection of the Toe series. So it ranges from the Black Toes, these are the Reimagines, I believe these aren't out yet, all the way down to the Royal Toe. Check out the colors, very nice, very nice. Now, let me start off by saying, I don't believe this really goes with the collection. This is the Reimagined Black Toe. Yes, toe is in the name, but it doesn't really follow the color pattern of the rest. For example, UNC Toe. This is the color blocking. You've got the color back here, and you've got the color on the toe and the outsole. So if this perfectly matches the description of a UNC Toe in the Toe series or Toe collection, wouldn't it mean the Black Toe would have black here and black back here? Anyways, I added this in the video just because it has toe in the title of the shoe name. But I've done so many reviews on this, I'm actually gonna take this out of the collection for a bit. Like I said, it doesn't kind of flow with the colors that we're looking at today. And if we're really gonna get that technical, this is the Union Black Toe, and it's kind of got the same thing going on where it doesn't really follow suit with the colors. I will say I am missing two pairs. I'm missing the Shattered Backboard, which has this same color scheme going on, color pattern on the upper, and I'm also missing a Gold Toe, which is a Jordan 1 high, similar to these, except I believe it's patent leather on it, which also I don't think would follow under the category of my personal toe collection. The Shattered Backboards would fit in here perfect, but I do not have a pair of those, believe it or not. Resale on those is like $700. But anyways, let's look at what I have in my collection. This is a retail pair, Taxis, size 10.5, too tight for my foot. I should have bought an 11. Oops. It is what it is. Check it out. We got that beautiful Taxi outsole. Now, I Googled it and I said, are the Taxis called the Yellow Toe? And it said yes, they're also known as the Yellow Toe. And I found that weird because the Shattered Backboard, which has the same exact color pattern except orange, that's not called the Orange Toe. Again, I should have checked multiple sources on Google, but yeah, I guess the Shattered Backboards are not called the Orange Toe, even though these aren't really called the Yellow Toe. I guess they are, but these are like known as the Taxi ones. But they can also go by Yellow Toe, I guess. Shattered Backboards, no. Those were not a collaboration shoe, but a remembrance shoe of when Michael Jordan shattered the backboard, and they don't go by Orange Toe at all. Now, as far as the Shattered Backboard 2.0s, which is the reverse Shattered Backboard, and also the Shattered Backboard 3.0s, which I have, that also wouldn't fit in the collection because that really doesn't follow the color pattern of these, and it is patent leather. Anyways, I could do a separate review on the Shattered Backboard 3.0s. Those are pretty dope, but let's go through these again. So like I said, I got the Taxis here. One shoe that I was super excited for, just because I love this powder blue or UNC blue, is the UNC Toes. Check it out, got the UNC outsole, beautiful UNC on the toe and the back of the shoe. Black swoosh, there's all real leathers on these. Actually, all of the Toe series, they all have premium leathers. Every panel is real, so we got real leather on the neck, real leather on the upper, toe box is real, side panels, real leathers. All are real on this shoe and all of the other Toe series. I was super excited when this came out. This was a little bit more of a recent drop. I want to say a year and a half ago. But yeah, the UNC Toes, I thought such a clean shoe. I knew that it would have premium materials on it just because it's part of the Toe collection. They all do. I'll show you guys a bit more in depth when we get on down to some of the cleaner pairs. I want to say these two right here. These have the most similarities where they have the white Nike patch and almost identical leathers on them. Heavy tumble on the midsections of this shoe. If you guys can see that on camera, it is heavily tumbled. The outside as well, heavy tumbled on that white section right here. Very nice leathers. This is real leather as well around the toe where it's black. The neck also If you guys can see that, we're dealing with all real materials all over the upper. We do have a little bit of a smoother tumble on the green sections of the shoe. Check that toe box. Very nice plush. The most plush though is right here on these side panels. Extremely tumbled, very thick leathers, very nice. Now, like I said, these tongue patches are white. Check out the court purples. I think these are also just called court purples. I don't think they're called the purple toe, but then again, it's the same color scheme as all the others. So the color pattern is there. We have a very, very nice tumbled leather, similar to the pine greens or the green toes. Got nice leather on the midsections. These shoes are incredibly, incredibly soft and plush, all of them. All of the toe series are very nice. Got a real leather up here as well. And then coming down, so they all are a little bit different. Like I said, I think these are the most identical. Coming down, the royal toe is probably the most different. The tongue patch right here, Nike, it's a piece of leather. I don't know if you guys can see that too well. This is a nice thick piece of leather. None of the other toes have the leather, leather tongue patch, but it's a bit more finer grained leather on these ones right here. I did restore these because I've worn them to the gym a few times, but check these out. The leathers on them, like I said, a little bit more of a fine grain, but still very premium, very nice. This one has a white Wings logo at the top. Got that beautiful royal outsole. Again, with all real materials, so we got a real swoosh, real side panels, real leather on the black portions of the shoe. Very clean. And then the bread toes, which more recently I've come to realize that this is an absolute masterpiece shoe. I love the red, black, and white. These are super clean. Check it out. Got the red outsole. All of them have that hourglass shape. All of them have real leather, like I've been saying. This one's got the tongue patch where I think is a little different. Maybe it goes more with the UNC toe. You see with the UNC toe, we got the UNC Nike Air. With the bread toes, we got the red toe with the red Nike Air. So again, all of them are just a little bit different. I really wish I could get them shattered backboards and show you guys, because that's an absolute gorgeous shoe. That might have the best. I hear that might have the best, softest, tumbled, thickest leather on them. And even though the taxis are very nice, again, this is a retail pair. It still has that nice, thick, tumbled leather on the upper and the neck and the toe. Side panels as well, heavily tumbled. Check that out. The rest are reps. This one is retail. I do want to just show you guys, take a look at how similar. Like if you look at the midsection right here inside of the shoe, very nice tumbled leather, white. And then you look at my replicated court purples. You've got the same exact leather. They are very accurate with making these replica shoes. Check it out. The toe series. This is the review on the toe series. Again, if I ever do get them shattered backboards, you know, the original OG shattered backboards, I will make another review on these, but to be honest, I don't really see that happening anywhere in the near future. But yeah, I mean, such a clean collection. I love all the colors. You've pretty much got the rainbow here. Again, I'm just missing orange. If I had orange in here, I'd probably put it over here just to separate, you know, the blues from the orange is close to, you know, taxi yellow. I'd like to separate them, have like all the colors going here. Very nice. Black insoles, white insoles, black, and then this one, which is weird, has the taxi insole. So they are a little bit different. Again, white insole, black insole. So they they do differ just a little bit. But as far as like the color blocking, they are pretty much identical. But yeah, we're looking at a gorgeous collection here with all the shoes. You really get that whole kind of rainbow rainbow vibe going on with all the different colors. Anyways, guys, this was the toe series, or my personal toe collection. I hope you guys enjoyed this Jumpman Junkie 2 review. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications. I try to upload videos as often as I can. We out of here.